Welcome back viewers to Nutritional Food. Today we'll discussing very interesting topic. Detox water benefits and recipes. Water is essential for living. Water is essential for a healthy body and glowing skin. You should drink at least 8 to 10 glasses of water in daily life. Adding different things in water not only for taste, it plays a role in cleansing and detox your body system. Detox water is packed with many nutritional benefits. Detox water helps in fat burning, weight loss, increased metabolism, improve digestion and making your skin clear, glow and healthier. Detox water are being in trend these days. It take no more time to make detox water. Homemade detox water ingredients are easily available in your kitchen. Let's take a look on different popular detox water benefits and recipes. Lemon water for clear skin and weight loss. Lemon detox water help to facilitate weight loss and reduce weight gain. Lemon water is full of powerful antioxidant vitamin C which help to boost up immune function. Drinking more water make you feel full. Drink lemon water to promote hydration. Lemon is powerful detoxifier making your skin healthy and beautiful. Ingredients: lemon mint water, 3-4 lemon slice, 10 to 12 mint leaves, 1 liter, 4 glasses, of filtered water. Cucumber detox water for weight loss. Cucumber detoxify your body and helps in weight losing. It helps to promote hydration. Cucumber is packed with nutrients like vitamins. It also improve your skin tone and prevent acne. Mint can also add in cucumber water, it provide freshness. Drink cucumber detox water after morning workout, helps to reduce fat around your belly, arm, and thigh. Ingredients: 1 medium-sized cucumber slice, 2-3 lemon slice, 10 to 15 mint leaves, 1 liter, 4 glasses, of filtered water. Strawberry detox water for healthy skin. Strawberry is full of nutrition like fiber, antioxidants, potassium and vitamin C. Drink strawberry water to get a lot of benefits. Antioxidants present in it to reduce inflammation. It improves your digestion and helps to brighten your skin. It makes your skin glow. You can add basil, tulsi, leaves which is full of antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. Ingredients: 6-7 strawberries, 1 liter, 4 glasses, of filtered water, 10 mint leaves or basil, tulsi, leaves, half squeezed lemon, 2 lemon slice. Ginger mint water. Ginger have strongest antioxidant gingerol. Gingerol having anti-inflammatory properties. It is beneficial for sore throat and aid in fat burning. It helps to boost up metabolism. Mint improves digestion and enhance flavor. You can also add lemon, it helps to remove waste product. Ingredients: 1 liter, 4 glasses, filtered water, 1 inch fresh ginger, 10 to 12 mint leaves, 2 lemon slice. Apple cider vinegar detox water for belly fat. Apple cider vinegar is loaded with vitamin C. Vitamin C is strongest antioxidant. This detox water helps to burn body fat and increase metabolic process. Add honey to make it taste better. Honey have antibacterial properties. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, 10 mint leaves, 1 tablespoon honey, 1 liter, 4 glasses, of filtered water. Watermelon water for glowing skin. Watermelon is full water and nutrition. It helps to promote hydration. It supports you in weight loss. Watermelon eliminate toxins from the body and help kidney and liver infiltration. Watermelon having anti-inflammatory properties and lessen muscle soreness. It is a major source of weight loss. Ingredients: 2 cups watermelon, 15 mint leaves, 1 liter filtered water. Preparation: all of above. Take a large glass or detox water bottle, jug. Wash all ingredients and cut it into slices. Add all these slices into water jug. Mix with spoon and refrigerate it. Let it sit for 1-2 hours before drinking. Apple and cinnamon detox water for weight loss. Apple is packed with B vitamins. Flavonoids present in apple, which is heart-friendly. Cinnamon helps to reduce body's cholesterol levels. Cinnamon helps to speed up weight loss by increasing metabolism. This water helps to improve digestion and burn belly fat. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon cinnamon powder, half apple, half lemon, 1 liter water. Preparation of apple and cinnamon water. Boil water 5-10 minutes. Add apple slice and cinnamon powder or sticks to boiling water. Cool down at room temperature. Squeeze the lemon before drinking. Detox water provide lot of health benefits: weight loss, slimming, fat burning, reduce body's cholesterol levels, stay away from acidity problem, improving immune system function, remove toxins from body, improving mood, better digestive health, skin healthier. Avoid some things while drinking water. Do not keep fruits and water for more than 2 hours. Keep it in the freezer to keep the taste fresh. It is best to cool the detox water on a room temperature. Don't drink detox water too much. Ingredients like lemon raise the issue of acidity. Don't drink detox water more than 2 liters per day. Try to drink at least 1-2 liters of detox water daily. You will see result in 1 month. Detox water are a very easy way to lose weight rapidly, to burn fat around belly, arms and thigh, and to clear, glowing skin. Hope you like the video and subscribe it for more daily information. Thanks for watching the video.